Welcome, welcome, welcome to Joy Heath Kitchen. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Joy Heath Kitchen.
right there, drying off or eating something. See? They're looking so nice. Found it? Looking so nice. Look at the ducks. Looking so beautiful. Relaxing, cleaning up themselves. They finished swimming and now they're relaxing. Soon find out they're gonna look food to eat. One more in the water, look a baby one, look down there. So you have the duck and ducklings right here. And you know somebody snorkeling, kayaking over there. It's lovely. It's a nice reef over here. Our lake. And it's a big lake too. It has so many different sides. It's just relaxing. You know, so it's very nice. It's very nice. How close I'm getting to them. Look how close. Guys, you know when you're on the street, driving on the road and you see these ducklings crossing the street, you have to stop and let they pass. You cannot hit them or anything like that. If you hit them, you're in trouble. Yeah, when you're on the street walking, driving, and they are walking, crossing the street, and they cross in a whole lot, in a bunch, you have to stop and let they cross. They're looking so beautiful, and they're eating. So they come out, they swim, and they dry themselves off, and now they're eating their food. They're eating grass. Wow, see, God is so good all the time, every time. $25 in the first what hour? Per hour?
1 hour.
Okay, for 1 hour. Okay, that's not bad. So what about if somebody want to rent them and they cannot swim?
Any what?
What about if somebody want to rent the boat and cannot swim? Do you have somebody who teach them or go out there with them?
No, we don't. No.
Oh, so you rent at your risk?
We just rent them, yeah.
Okay, so if you rent and you cannot swim, that's up to you. You have to know when you go there.
You know how to do it, but you do it your own.
Oh,
We
so
don't come along with you.
so what about if you go out there and get difficulty?
You don't have difficulty.
form of difficulty might be out there.
we don't have sharks in there.
You don't have any shark in there?
You're gonna make it, don't worry. We let you know.
You go at your risk, right?
Huh?
You go out there at your own risk.
Yeah.
All right then, no
We
problem.
take care of you.
Pardon?
We take care of you, don't worry.
Okay.
Stay.
I tell the place is beautiful. You said, right?
Yes, it is.
And how long you say you're working here?
About 25 years.
25 years. Oh God, that's a long time.
I know.
You enjoy it, right?
Yes.
So over there, you say is the swimming here. So if you want to come with your family, you can go over there. If you can see, guys, I'm talking to this guy as he said he working here 25 years. I don't know. I can see from here, but I don't know if you can see the children and so over there. So the over there is a swimming area, right?
Yes.
And over here, where you have these boats and so forth, is which area? Fishing area?
Yeah, you can fish all over the lake if you have a license. Yes.
Oh, you have to have a license.
Yes.
So you bring your license, you come and you fish.
You can come, you rent the boat, or you fish from the shore.
Oh, so when you catch the fish, what you do? You can take them home? Can you?
Take it home, yeah.
Oh, but you have to be a certain size, right?
Yeah, some fish yes, some fish not.
Okay, I'll see.
Yeah, they have beds and they have open season for fish and small fish you can keep it, like bluegills and everything you can keep them. You know,
Mhm.
I mean, doesn't matter what size, but the other fish have to be some size.
Okay.
They have big fish here. And
Okay.
you can cabin in here. You can stay.
Oh, they have. You can camp out
They have-
inside
they
here.
have a campground there.
Oh, over that side.
Uh huh.
So can I walk from here, go over there?
Yeah. Walk this trail here,
Okay, and which one? This one here?
right there.
Oh,
Oh, you see, follow the trail.
oh, guys, see the trail there.
Yeah,
I don't know if I
you
can walk there.
Walk around and go to the campground,
Uh-huh.
and cabins are up there. They have nice long cabins.
Oh, okay, I'll see. So I have to
You can
think.
rent them by the night. You can rent them by the week.
So how much you rent them for?
That I have no idea.
Oh, you don't know about that.
No,
That's
I
not
don't.
your part of your business. Okay.
They change it all the time, so you don't know. But the sides are beautiful. Some they have electric, some they are.
So if I walk over there now, is somebody there to give me some
Oh,
form
yeah,
of
yeah,
information?
Yeah, they have maps up here on the top of the road. They have an information center
Uh-huh.
where they have maps there and they give you prices and everything.
Okay, so
They
maybe
have
I can
flyers.
see that.
They have flyers there.
Okay.
I don't know if I have a flyer here.
So you're hearing, guys, what I'm hearing. So if you want to come over this park and camp out, you can. Maybe I might try it. You know, a long time I haven't do any camping. So maybe I can do a little camping and see what it's like. You know, as a country girl, it's a long time I haven't camped. So it's nice, it's beautiful, it's quiet. I like it here. Okay, guys, I was there talking to Tony. That's the guy name that I was talking to, and he gave me quite a few info, you know. And I'm taking a walk right now in the park here, going around to see if they can where they rent the camp station. Don't know if I can reach here. I leave my husband and the friend or our friend over there. They're sitting down. You know, I have to walk. I love to walk. I love to talk. I love to see things. I didn't wear my sneakers. I wear my slippers, so hope my slippers can take me, because it is summer, and in the winter I wear a lot of close-up shoes. I wear close-up shoes to work every day too. So being out like this, I like to wear my slippers, but you know, I'm gonna see how far I can go with this and show you what they have here and so forth. And it is a lovely day. It's beautiful, it's nice. I'm in the park here and it's just lovely, lovely. Husband coming, he finally find me, so he want to walk with me. You see, when you have them, you just leave them and they will eventually find you. So that's what I did. Say hi, Thomas.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, that's what I did. I just leave him there with
You
Lady
left our
Kim.
company.
Yes, because this is me. This is my world. You know that.
I know.
So, guys, he finally find me. So we are walking.
She might have to carry me back.
This is me and this is my world. I ate. And then I have to walk. I have to come and see what I'm seeing out here. I ain't
We
busy no
came with our
one.
brother and sister from church, and Joy disappeared.
I don't disappear, but whosoever know Joy know that Joy love these life. She like to walk, she like to explore, she like to see things. And this is me from I was a child until now, okay? Okay guys, I'm gonna turn back. I'm gonna go back with them. They didn't know that I didn't know I was coming so far either. I just finished eat and then I just leave for a walk. Didn't know I was gonna come so far. See time come, I don't want them to feel uncomfortable that I leave them so far. Next time I come back, as I said, my first time here in this park at the lake and everything like this. So next time I come back I can walk further. I want to go on the camping ground here where they do the camping. So maybe if I go back and told them, sit with them a little, I might come back. If not, when I come back next time, because I'm definitely gonna come back, I'll take you over that side, guys, that you can see more around there and everything like that. So for now, I'm turning back, going back to them, but it's nice, it's lovely. I do enjoy it. This is my world and I enjoy things like this. I hope you might enjoy this video when you see it, guys, and have fun. Go out there and enjoy nature. Okay, yes, it's hot, it's warm and everything like that, but I like it. I love it. It's beautiful. All right, so I'll see you later. I'll see you guys later.